Hey everybody, it's Tammy. Today I'm going to be showing you a great recipe that's going to kind of have a little healthier version. It's my cheesy cauliflower broccoli soup, and it's been so cold today that I thought it would be a really fun recipe to share. Okay, so let's get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe though before I forget, and let me know what other recipes you'd like to see or what other videos you'd like to see next. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to start with about 1 tablespoon of either oil or butter. I'm going to use avocado oil today because it has like a high temperature set point. And what we're going to do is we're going to put this into our pot. So I just kind of guess about a tablespoon, but you can measure it out if you want to be more accurate. Or about, like I said, 1 tablespoon of butter. And what we're going to do is we're going to saute our onions. This is 1 yellow onion chopped. Put that in with our carrots, which I sliced up nice and small. This is about 2 or 3 large carrots, or you can use the baby carrots, and I just kind of sliced them thin. So now we're going to get this going here in our stock pot. Get this on. And I'm going to saute this for about probably like 5 to 8 minutes until the vegetables get a little tender. Next, what we're going to do is take 3 tablespoons of flour. You can actually use regular flour or gluten-free if you need to. And what I'm going to do is coat the vegetables with the flour. So I'm going to kind of just stir my onions and carrots around now, coating it here with the flour. Okay, I'm going to add in my seasonings, 1 teaspoon of each, and then we're going to stir it up. Okay, so I've got all the ingredients in here, and I'm going to bring this to a simmer, and I'm going to let it simmer for about 15 minutes until the broccoli and cauliflower are tender. Okay, we're ready to add in our 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. So I'm going to go ahead and pour that in and then give that a good stir. Yum, it's going to be delicious. Okay, our last step is I'm just going to move this over here, and I'm going to use my hand blender, and I'm just going to blend it just a little bit because you still want a little chunks in it too. So just a little bit of blending and it's done. Oh my gosh, you guys, it looks amazing. Let me just put a little bit here in this bowl so you can get a look at this. It's just the perfect amount of vegetables with some cheese, creamy, and look at that. Doesn't that just look perfect? I hope you enjoy. Even the dog wants some.